What I love about this project is it's multi-generational. This is, senior housing that's affordable for people who can access the university and other county services. It's multi-family housing for families that need affordable housing, and it's student housing for students at George Mason University, all wrapped together in one community.
One university is really special to me because it embodies the idea of town and gown. Seeing the ability of us to work together with George Mason University is something that I'm especially proud of here. And this was really unique, and the first time in the country that we were able to work with HUD and take a rental assistance demonstration property and fully renovate, not even renovate, rehabilitate and rebuild the property. And that hasn't been done before. And the process of getting that to happen really took a partnership between the county, the FCRHA, Virginia Housing, and our development partners, RISE and SCG.
This is an ideal location because it's directly across the street from George Mason University, the fastest growing research university in the state of Virginia. Anytime you have an opportunity to co-locate uses like this in close proximity to a university represents a tremendous opportunity for the residents to benefit from the services and educational opportunities offered by that university.
Every day that goes by, the need for affordable housing grows. We know that high quality affordable housing is essential for good quality of life. We are doing our part to deliver on our commitment and our board's commitment to build at least 5,000 new affordable housing units in Fairfax County by 2023.
This reflects our One Fairfax policy because we believe in Fairfax County that everyone should have an affordable, safe, and secure home in every part of the county, and this project is absolutely a reflection of those values.